Hello everyone, today we'll be doing an elevator here um, on Blender, and then we'll we'll transfer it to Unreal Engine so we can work with it and work on this level so we can add the elevator and we can change and we can have multiple layers here. So yeah, that's the thing we're doing today. Let's start uh, fast. Let's start fast with the making and the modeling of this elevator. So yeah, let's start. Okay, first thing, we're gonna need a general, then we delete this, we need a cube. And what do I want to do? I want to delete faces. Okay. Yeah, okay. I can delete. I'm just thinking. Okay, yeah. Let's start here. So let's tab to go to into the edit mode. Then we select faces. Wait, let me just check something first. Okay. Then we're going to go into the loop cut tool. And let's. Okay. First off, we need to scale it. So let's go into the object mode. Let's scale this object on the. Let's maybe use 2, 2, and then in the z-axis we use like 4. Okay. It's an elevator, but like say lift, yeah, like elevator. Let's search for old elevator because I want to do something like no, these are too old. It needs to be like not modern, but like not too old. That I'm going under, but I know that I'm making out alive. Calling you my lover, move on. Okay, no, let's search for elevator pad. I want to make a code so you can use the elevator. We can do it if we... Okay, so... Let's come here to the elevator. Search here for a thing, elevator. Okay. Stitches. Okay. Yep. I'll just do it. So let's go. Okay, wait. Let me just here refresh the page. Okay, let's start. So yeah, we have this on Blender, and we need to do something here. So okay, the elevator needs to be like okay. I see. So you go here. Let's loop cut this. So select this. No, maybe it needs to be larger, I think. Yeah. Needs to be like 3. Or maybe like 2.5. I think it's perfect, 2.5. Yeah, something like this. Then we select X, tab, loop cut, yes, faces, okay. Okay, we're gonna loop cut this. Actually, wait. Let's get this loop cut, bro. Okay, loop cut needs to be like, yeah, like 12. Yeah, I think 12 is good. Okay. I think I'm just going to use cubes to do this. So yeah. Let's Control Z everything. Okay, let's get this object. Let's put it 2.5, and 4. Then we're gonna. Okay, it's good, bro. What am I doing? I didn't want to do this. Okay, let's just use 4, and this needs to be like dot 25. Yeah, like dot 1. Yeah, that one's good, I think. Okay. So this is going to be the back wall. Then we're gonna need to move this on the x-axis, and we're gonna duplicate it, so Shift D. Actually, let's grab the cube, Shift D, set it the same location, then we're gonna move it on the, we're gonna rotate it on the z-axis, so it needs to be like 90. Then we're gonna, so let's, so if it's on 0, half of 2.5 is 1.25, so we're gonna need to set the location in the y-axis to 1.25. Actually no, it's 2.5 because it's the half of it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think. Then we're gonna move it on the x-axis. My coffee black and my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. I'll take no whiskey. Okay. Shift D. Then we're gonna set this to location. Needs to be like 2.5. No. So it needs to be the same. So Control Z, and then here minus 2.5. Yeah, okay. Then we're gonna need the, so this is the thing, this is the inside of the elevator, of the lift. So now let's let's think about the spatial reasoning, so the spatial interior. So this dimension is 2.5, and because this is also 2.5, this forms a square, so this is almost, yeah, okay, this is 2.5 to 2.5, so let's just get this rectangle, shift D, then we rotate it on the x-axis, so 90. What? Oh, it's because it's rotated, so it needs to be on this. Okay, then we're gonna move it x4, but it's, yeah, so I'll just use here 4. Perfect. Then we're gonna need to move it like 2.5 to the y-axis, so needs to be 0. Okay, then we're gonna scale it, so 2.5. So let's get here 2.5. Okay, the interior looks fine. It doesn't need to be something that perfect. Okay, so let's just actually put it on 2.6. Then okay, it's good. Shift D. Then we're gonna set this to -4, the location. Perfect. Okay, so the interior of the elevator is done. Like the, you know. Now we're gonna need some we're gonna need something, and that is we just need now some things which are actually let me turn on something. Yeah, okay, so it's good. We're gonna need the keypad, obviously, which is going to be on that wall. We're gonna need a mirror. Yes, a mirror. Then so a mirror could be a cube. So let's just shift D. Then we scale it. Actually, we put it. Yeah, we scale it to like Z, like 3. Then scale x.05. Then we move it on the y-axis. Then we just need to scale it. Okay, so let's put it on x. Y needs to be like 1.25. Okay, and now these needs to be like 2. Yeah, it's just a little mirror. Wait. Let me search for elevator mirror. Okay, well, my mind is just. Wait. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. I heard him say, okay, let's 175 and 2.5. Yeah, it's better. And it needs to be upwards. It needs to go upwards. So let's G Z. Yeah, I think like this is good. Then we need to add another cube like this. Shift D. Um, and let's move it so it's the x-axis. So if it's the x-axis, it needs to be 2.5. So location 2.5. Yeah, let's put it on 2.4. Actually 2.2. Okay. Okay, this is going to be like a door, so this is going to open, and there's there's something we gotta do. Which is, yeah, we gotta do something there. So let's move. This needs to be like, the location needs to be like 2.1, 2.1, or maybe 2. Nah, 2 is too much. It needs to be like 2.1. Yeah, I think it's good. Now we gotta select both of these. No, actually just this, and we gotta add modifier, generate. It's a boolean, so yeah, boolean, and then difference. We gotta select this cube, and we gotta apply this. So now if we move this, oh, actually there's a problem. No. Okay, I gotta do something. G X, no, G Y. Okay, then we need to apply this. So now if we move this G Y, there's this separation between the, so it's like a hole, which is the door hole for the elevators. So now let's G Y and then fill it. So yeah, okay, so the door is done. Actually we just need the utility. The elevator, its style and layout, it's just an add-on. So now we need to add the keypad, which is going to be a separate cube. I'm just thinking. Okay, I know how to do it. So GX, then we get this. We're just going to loop cut, and then add numbers. Let's search here for elevator. There's something we're gonna need to add, which is the number of the layer, which is the number of the no, bro, it's not that. I didn't want to search that. Okay, we're gonna need to add that thing. Okay. The lines that you never want to be mine. Okay. We need to add a keypad, so the keypad, actually let's do something. So let's select all of these cubes, then move it on the x-axis, then we move this to the center. So let's just 0, 0, 0 the location of it. I'm in the field of dandelions. Dot 2. Okay, so the keypad is going to be like no, actually dot 1. Yeah, it needs to be large so the players can interact with it. We gotta look cut this, so edit mode, look cut. Okay, let's think about one thing. How many? It could be like 9. Yeah. It needs to be. It needs to have 9 digits. Okay, wait. Okay. So loop cut, and this is going to be like 3. It needs to have a button for. Actually, let me search for elevator keypad. One, two, so then 1, 2, 3, 4, so okay. Yeah, it needs to have 2 vertical lines and then 4 horizontal lines, because there's going to be the backspace, which you can delete the last character, and then there's going to be the send button, which is like if you want to travel, you know, it's like you need to click that button. Okay, so it needs to be 4 horizontal lines. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, let me see something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's only 3.
O Spotify Premium é a melhor forma de levar a tua experiência de audição. Desfruta em pleno da tua música. Reproduz faixas na ordem que quiseres, transfere-as para as teres offline com qualidade mais alta e ouve-as sem anúncios. Os teus ouvidos merecem. Toca na faixa para saberes mais.
Okay, 3. then 2 here. Okay. But it needs to be squared. Wait. No, wait, let me think about something. If I do 9 and then 4, let me see something. No, it's just okay. I'm falling too. Let's bevel this. Wait, inset faces. Okay, I didn't want to do this. Okay. We need to loop cut this again. So now we just need to do this, okay. Okay, nice. Now let's select faces. We gotta extrude 1, 2, 3. It's just like this. Just like this. Okay. So we have here 12 squares, so let's extrude this. Yeah, I think like this is good. So we go to the object mode and the skip head looks good, okay. Now we need to create separate. Okay, so let's treat you better than he can, and any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me why are we wasting time on all your wasted crown when you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better than he can. Now we need to select these faces and like just P selection, so we create a new it's a separate object. Now I can click it, so edit. We need to do the same for all of those faces, so yeah, that's the boring part. P selection, yes. Now select the object, edit. Okay. P selection. Edit. Okay, the same. P selection, okay. I won't let you down. just don't no, okay. Have to do this alone. Promise I'll never let you down. 'Cause I know I can treat you better than he can. And any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me why are we wasting time on all your wasted grind when you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better, better than he can. Oh wait. Oh the wait. Okay. I just P selection object. Okay, we're gonna have so much cubes here, but it's okay because it's faster this way instead of doing it on Unreal Engine. In Unreal Engine. Okay, only 3 more cubes. Let's actually do one thing. So okay. P selection, okay. Only 2 more. P selection, edit object mode, edit mode. P selection and it's done. Okay. Now we can select each of these cubes and these are created here. So now they're independent from each other. Let's get the face orientation. So it's nice, as you can see. So if we exported this to Unreal Engine, this would be good. And it's pretty much all we have to do. So now we just need to add this. We need to select this and move it to inside of the elevator. Right. And okay. Now we need to get those cubes, which are I think the first 6 of them, because the 7 is here. Yes. Okay, so 6 from here. We gotta move them to the location 000. So let's move. Oh, okay. I forgot about one thing. We need to move them G X. Okay. Now we gotta select. I gotta select these. So yeah, select. And we gotta rotate them on the z-axis to 90. Oh no, we gotta rotate them like RZ. Is this all 90? Maybe, I don't know. Okay, now we gotta move them, so let's actually do one thing. Okay. Let's wait. Okay. We gotta move them, so G. Feel like doing anything. I just wanna make it my bed. it. I don't know. You gotta select all of these and just change it to 90. Yes, I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing at all. Now let's select all of the cubes from 6 to lower. Then we move it on the G axis. We move it on the X axis. Let's get actually this G, X, and let's center it. Okay, perfect. Yes, I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message. Let's do one thing. Okay, we gotta select from 7 to above. We gotta move it G, Y, and just put it there. Okay. So the thing we gotta do now, it's just to fix these merge issues. So to do that, actually we should make a design, but okay, so this we're gonna add a modifier which is going to be the boolean modifier. Boolean, let's select this one. Okay, perfect. Then we need this one, so another boolean, select this one. Okay, perfect. Now for this you gotta do the same thing. Boolean, select this. Okay. Boolean, select this. Okay, and another one for this one. Okay, I think it's good. The mirror is there, so we can export this. Elevator. Let me just search for this. I need to see something. It's all over. Okay, we forgot about one thing. We need to add the numbers for this, so... Didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. Didn't know I was lost. Shift A. Let's add text. Let's rotate it so on the x-axis we need to rotate it to 90 degrees, and then on the z-axis to 90. Okay, you gotta scale this so S and X. Okay, we can't. Okay.
Depois de After Hours e Dawn FM, chega Hurry Up Tomorrow, o último álbum da trilogia de The Weeknd.
How to add 3D text in Blender.
E São Paulo featuring Anitta.
How to create 3D text in Blender.
E podes ouvir já.
I just wanna watch. Okay. So he's just using the text and so he can scale it. Okay, how did he do this?
We can extrude. You can put more here, and you see now it's in 3D. What you can do too is under bevel, around, depth, put 0.01, so you see it is round here. You can also change the fonts. Under font, open fonts that are on your computer. I'm going to take, for example, this one, open font.
Okay, I see. So you just here she was just a girl. She expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in a sleep, dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. Depth. Oh, what? Okay. We only need something like .01. And this is just going to be so where can you change the text? Okay, we can change it here. No. Where can we change it?
How to make a 3D anything. You can write ab, edit ab to go in edit mode.
Okay, so it's just like you tab and then one. What? Let me just 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1. Okay, let's rotate it. Rotate it. It's will. Okay. G. G. Y. Is it? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, backspace, enter. Yeah. So 1 and G, Y, then GX, then scale it. Remove it. Actually needs to be a little bit more little. So G, X, GX, GZ, and now we gotta GX. So let's align it. I think it's good.
On the other side of the street I knew stood a girl that looked like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true, 'cause
it's GY.
Santa Fe or wherever to get away from me. Oh, but that one night was more than just right. I didn't leave you 'cause I was all through. Oh, I was overwhelmed and frankly scared as hell because I really fell for you. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by.
Okay, let's shift D to duplicate it. G, X, center it, tab, 2, object mode, done. Then shift D, okay, G, X, tab, 3, just like this. Duplicate it. GX, GZ, 4, shift D, GX, edit mode, 5, GX, okay. Shift D, GX, 6, object mode, Shift D, GX, GZ, 7, Shift D, GX, 8, object mode, Shift D, GX, 9, tab, 9. Okay, enter is just like, how is that, like, elevator, keypad, elevator, keypad, okay. Okay. You and I were like diamonds in the sky. You were shoot from the sky as stars. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd become one right away. Oh, right away. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the light inside so shine bright. Tonight, you and I were beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Eye to eye, so okay, I know what to do. So let's shift D, GX, GZ, edit mode 0, object mode, shift D, GX. Change this my language to English, then we're gonna need to edit mode, and like just like this. Okay, then GX, we need to center it, then we shift D again, GX, and then we gotta do something which is edit mode, and where is it? It's here. No, it's so but enter. No. Okay. What if I just do that? No, it needs to be something else. I'll just set it as okay or something like that. Yeah, something like that. Okay, let me just like okay. Yeah, I think it's good. So GX and then put it there. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. The keypad. So yeah, now we see if everything's normals is good. Okay, it is. The interior is also good, so we can export it. Maybe I'm forgetting something, but I don't think so. We need to select all of these cubes. So texts, let's just do like this. Just like this. What? How do I okay. Yeah, I don't think it's a problem to export the light because we're not going to use it, so yeah, let's just file export as FBX. This is going to be the elevator Backrooms, we're gonna select mesh, other, and armature. I don't know, it's just like there's no armature, so no problem. Visible objects, selected objects, and custom properties, which are the booleans and stuff like that, I think. And I think it's good, yeah. So export FBX. Then we come here on Unreal Engine, and we go to Models Blender. We create a new folder. It's called Elevator. We create, we import the model, so documents, and how was the name of it? It was Elevator Backrooms, so it's, where is it? It's here. We import all of the cubes and stuff like that, so there's plenty of things that are going to be imported. Would be alright if you were by my side. Would be alright. Would be alright. Would be alright. My side. Be alright. We would be alright. Now we gotta do a little bit of programming, so okay, I know what to do. So first we gotta create a new blueprint class, which is going to be an actor, and it's called Elevator. So it's just the main elevator. Now we need to import here all of these models, so just like this. I don't want to miss any of them, but I also need to be fast because I don't want to spend an eternity here. Yeah. Okay, so here, yeah, then we have the keypad, we have the mirror, yes. So okay, now we gotta apply colors so we can distinguish between some parts of the elevator, you know. Okay, so I want the letters to be, I'll just change them, but so this door needs to be a metal, so elevator backrooms cube 006. This is 006, so it's this one. Then we gotta apply like a metal or like gray or something. Gray. Metal. Brushed metal. I think brushed metal is all. It's good. Then the rest should be like, those cubes should be, wait. Yeah, I think it's good. Oh, but there's a problem. Yeah, it can't be that. It needs to be like metal. Burnished steel. No, what is this? Metal brushed nickel. What is this? Yeah, then I'll just create after like a material that replicates walls and stuff like that, so yeah, there's no problem. Then we come here. Yeah, so this has the brushed metal, then we close this, we get this, which is, yeah, we just gotta do that. This is going to be black, so let's just get the, wait, clear coat. What is this? Yeah, this is actually good. It's going to be the clear coat. Yeah. Select these. Black, also clear coat. Okay. Save. Okay. This is going to be the clear coat again. So black. Wait, what is this? Why is this like this? Okay. No problem, but okay. So now what do we oh what okay, so let's okay, I closed it. I didn't want to. Let's get here, search for it, black again, clear coat. So this is like, we gotta do it fast because it's going to occupy, it's going to spend us some time. Let's get here black, clear coat black. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, this feels like a capsule, so it's good. Yeah, this feels like a oh, okay, this is just the material. I was okay. This needs to be yeah, the same, like mirror or something.
No Spotify Premium, ouve as músicas que adoras em qualquer ordem e dispositivo. E descobre milhões de novas faixas sem teres de ouvir anúncios.
Is this
Está
really
na
a
hora
mirror?
de experimentar
I don't
2
know.
meses grátis. Cancela quando quiseres. Toca na faixa para
Okay,
saber.
so the interior is done. This actually feels like a modern elevator, but okay. This needs to be like black. Yeah, it needs to be black, but not like clear coat, so it needs to be like this black. Yeah, it's good, I think. Then that is going to be like gray. Yeah, like gray. Can I select all of these and just apply the gray color? Let's see. No, we can't. There's probably a way, I'm just not figuring it out yet. Gray. Metal. I think I created a color like this. Gray ball. Yeah, it's good. I wanted this color, so yeah, it's fine. So it's gray, like this. Let me just copy this name and apply it to all of this. Get this. Gray. Gray. Okay. Gray. Gray again. Yeah. This is 7, this is 8. 9 now. The next color is going to be white for the numbers. So 9 is done, then we need the arrow, the back arrow. 0 now. Okay, and then okay. Yeah. So as you can see, you have this keypad, which is pretty good, I think. Just for now the numbers. So 1 white, glossy white plastic. Yeah, I think it's good. So white. Let's copy this. White plastic. Yeah. 3. White light. Let me see something. It's actually better with the white light. Yeah, I'm going to use the white light. No. Yeah, it's going to be the white light, but it is going to change for a different light when you select it. So I'm going to need an animation. So white light, white light. One needs to be white light again. I think I'm improving in Blender. Okay, white light now. 5. Six. Now 7. Okay. 8 now. 9. Back arrow. No, 0. Okay. Back arrow. And now okay, the okay text. Okay, so yeah, I think we can put this in on the map. So inside the map, let's actually get this. Okay, this is so. Alright, we are gonna need to scale it a bit. Actually, let's do one thing. Let's select all of this and like put it as 25, 25, 25. So dot 25. All of this. Dot 25. Dot 25. Dot 25. Maybe now it's too little. Yeah, too little now. It needs to be like dot 5. Dot 5. Dot 5. Dot 5. Now it's perfect, I think. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's actually move. Oh my god, this is so laggy because of the models. Yeah, compile it, save it, and now let's just select one so it becomes less laggy. Yeah. Now let's delete this, add this again on the map. yeah, I think it's pretty good. Now you gotta add an animation, so mm, we need to add some features now, which are the because an elevator has I when people think of an elevator, they think it's just a uh, how can I say it? It's just like a simple algorithm, but there's some stuff we need to implement, such as the event call. So how can we call the elevator to multiple layers? So like here we would hit the E key, then it would call the elevator to that layer, then the elevator would open. So yeah, when the elevator would stop the movement, then it would open this door and we would get inside. Oh, what? I can actually see myself here. It's okay. But then we would select a number and we would move to that we move to that we will move to that layer. Okay, so we gotta do something. I will. So now I need to parent. I need to parent some stuff. So I need to parent each number to each thing of this. So first I need to select. First I need to select all of these numbers and digits. And I gotta set the collision of them to overlap all, or like no collision at all. Like, okay, overlap all. No collision. Yeah. Okay. So they do not have collision, and this is going to be cheaper for the process of the game. So, and now if the player looks at the number, he can also select the corresponding number, because this is not going to block. Now we gotta make here an event, but first we gotta parent this to each cube. So okay, so this is cube 8, so we gotta parent this. Okay, then this is cube 9, this is cube 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on. So this is cube 9, we gotta parent text 1 to 9, then text 2 to 10, text 3 to 11. Oh, where is it? Okay, it's here. Cube 12, so yeah, then cube 13, so text 5 goes to 13. 14, so 6 goes to 14. This is 15, so 7 goes to 15. Next one is 16, so text 8 goes to 16. 17, so 10 goes to 17. Then 11 goes to 18, so oh, actually this is 9. Okay. goes to 18. Then 11 goes to 19. Okay. Okay, I think it's so. We just made a hierarchy, and this hierarchy is going to be utilized to some functions, which are the animation when we select the each number, because I want to do an animation so it becomes more interactive, and then it is also going to be good for identifying each digit to the corresponding button. On OK, we gotta make an event when we select OK, but first we gotta get the digits. So each button, so the first button is going to so on component on clicked, yeah, on clicked, we're gonna delete this and touch component, no, so on clicked, I want to make a variable here, which is going to be a text variable. Actually, it's going to be an integer. Yeah, it's going to be an integer. So let's make a variable here, which is going to be the
Ask for money and get advice. Ask for advice, get money twice. I'm from the dirty, but that Chico nice. Y'all call it a moment, I call it life.
One day while the light is glowing, I'll be
I'm going to make a boolean variable called does require password. Okay. So, okay. Does require password. Okay, this is on the English keyboard. Let's change it to Portuguese. So, okay. Does require password. Then this is going to be an instance editable and expose on spawn type of variable, and if okay, so we're gonna do something. We're gonna create another variable called number. It's just going to be called number, and it's going to be an integer. So on clicked, because this is number one, this should be number should be string, or like a text. No, string is better, because we have the toString method. So we're gonna set this, but we also need to get this, because we're gonna append. Yeah, we're gonna append number one to this. So we're gonna set this, and we're gonna append one to this. Okay, it's just like that, nothing more. Then we're gonna need this components and scroll down on clicked and do the same thing. It's just like, you just gotta copy this and yeah, set these to 2. No, bro. Why did I open this? Actually, let me see something. So this moment. Okay, this is going to be 2. We gotta be faster. The next one it's cube 10. So we get cube 10. If we search for clicked, unclicked, yeah. So let's just stay with that. So then we copy this. Okay, this is going to be 3. Then we get the cube 11. Okay, complete. This is going to be 4. Yeah, 4. Then cube 12. Cube 12. Okay, here. Cube 12 is 5. Then cube 13 it's 6. Then let's set here this cube 14. It's here. Let's push this. Okay. This is 7, right? Yeah. We copy this. Cube 15. One clicked. This is going to be 8. Then we copy again. Cube 16. Where is it? It's here. Clicked. It's going to be 9. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna need a text showing which number we're making, but that is going to be later. Okay, 9, and then we need the 0, so here cube 17, where is it? It's here. We just need to put it as 0, append the 0 to the password, to the number. Okay, this is going to be, I'm going to comment this as a number maker, I don't know, something like that. Okay, then I'm going to set color to like light blue and it's like 25 or something, I don't know. Okay, so now we have these events which are only for number making. Then we need another, which is no, it wasn't the 17. Oh, I forgot about one thing. It's the 18. Okay, we need on clicked for 18 instead of 17. So here we just connect this. Okay. Now make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old. Cube 17 on clicked. I wanna get the number, the string of the number, and I wanna remove how do I delete, no, remove item, no, remove last how to search how to delete last character of a string in Unreal Engine. Remove specified character in a string. No. How do I remove the last character in a string? Remove the last character. We can use the remove method by passing the string length -1 as an argument to it. No. Opposite of append node, you can. Oh, okay, so it's just like you can use left, right, like chop, right chop to remove. Oh, okay, so it's just like right chop, so right chop. Count x1, so then we set. Oh, what? Then we set this. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, set this. So this removes the last character of a string. Let me make a comment. Removes the last character of a string. Okay. So on clicked it will remove the last character of a string, and then we gotta make OK. We gotta make an event also. So on clicked it needs to be it does require passwords. We're gonna make a branch if it requires the password, so on true. I wanna compare, so get number. Then we need to create another variable called code, so password, and if the number is equal exactly, so 3 equals to the password, you can count on me. If it's true, I'm gonna print string. Password. So on caps lock password matches. Okay. If not, so if it doesn't require the password, we are going to get all actors. Okay, so this is I'm gonna get all actors of class, and I'm going to comment that this is a target point for each layer. Okay. So yeah, it's good. Now Let's actually move this to there. Okay. I'm actually going to create another event, which is going to be the event add custom event. It's going to be travel elevator. I don't know. Elevator. And I'm going to move this comment here, and then we're going on false to travel. Actually, you need something first. You gotta check if number is valid or if the length is superior to its greater length. But we're just going to check if this is valid. So valid. What? Valid? It's valid? Okay, is valid. Is valid? Okay, no. Length. If this is greater, if this is greater than 0, branch. If this is true, we're gonna travel. So travel. Password matches. Then we're gonna print string this password. No error. It's like password doesn't match. Okay. Okay. Travel elevator. Now we're going to create another blueprint class, which is going to be only a target actor. So okay, it's going to be a target actor with a tag, with like a variable, an instance editable and expose on spawn type of variable. So okay, rename. This is going to be target elevator BP. Okay, and this is going to be a box. Wait, what happens if I just get this? Okay, so I don't need to do anything, and it's just a blank then we need to create here a variable which is going to be an integer, which is layer number. It's going to be a string. Yep, it's going to be a string. Okay, and it's going to be instance editable and expose on spawn. Okay, we just need the height, so let's actually try something. So here, just put this. Yeah. let's get this height, which is 40. Location 40. Let's set it as 40. And we want to travel between these 2 points when we press. So this is going to be layer 0. Layer number 0. This is going to be 1. So it's like a binary. And what we want to do when we travel, we get all actors of class. Okay, now we can delete this. We wanna get target elevator, and for each of them, so for each loop, we wanna execute something which is wanna verify which has the same number as this number. So because the player he chose that number, so he clicked on that number, and now it's going to compare to each location. So we're gonna get this. So the actor, we're gonna get the, what's the name of the variable? I think it's layer number. Yeah, get layer number. We're gonna get the number if it's equal exactly. We're gonna branch. We're gonna promote this to a variable. Say this is the target. Yeah. So we're gonna on true. This is going to be the target, so let's just create here a better looking graph. Okay. Then we gotta, so this is the target, and on completed we gotta do uncompleted. What do we want to do? We want to move there, so we want to close first the door. Yeah, we want to close the door, then we want to move there, and then open the door. So okay, we gotta create an event here, which is at custom event. Open door, open elevator door. Then we gotta copy this and set this as close elevator door. Okay, compile this. Open elevator. You gotta get the cube, which is the entrance to the elevator. It's 6. Yeah. Okay, no, not this one. It's this one. So elevator cube. Then we want to edit timeline. Door animation. Okay, then we want to play and we want to reverse. So yeah, it's just like this. And we want to get here a lerp, but first we want to, okay, it's like 2 seconds, so length 2, add float track, time, add a key to 0 0 and then to 2 1. So like add key to 1, which is just like a normal plain dimensional plane. Well, the coordinates. So then we wanna go to the event graph, and on update we wanna set the location of this cube. So set location, set relative location.
Depois de After Hours e Dawn FM, chega Hurry Up Tomorrow,
Uh,
o último álbum da trilogia
and we
de
wanna
The
lerp
Weeknd.
between 2 points, so
Inclui os
lerp,
singles Timeless com Playboy Carti
and the alpha is going to be this.
e So Called
Um,
featuring Anitta.
now we need to check. Okay, then we split struct
No
spin,
Spotify.
pin. So this location, we're gonna move in the Y, so it's 0 there. And we wanna go until we achieve 250, so 250. We move this to 0, and so A it's 0.
Every love story needs a soundtrack, and Songs to Fall in Love To has
To
you covered.
50, then we go to Y, so it's Y.
It's the perfect Valentine's
New
Day
location
playlist set to
X,
with
it's
iconic
just
love
the
songs
same
from
location,
Bruno
so
Mars,
which
Ed Sheeran,
was
Coldplay.
0, 0, so
Listen now
no,
on
it's
Spotify.
actually 0, 200. Location 0, 200, okay. Location 200. Okay. So I think we can audio controller. No, smooth ramp down. What? Can we wait? Can we clear the smooth ramp? In your ramp up. Let me know. I'll show you how to do it. Let's just clear this. Oh no. No. Split struct spin to 50. New location. This new location is just going to be 200, so this get actor get component location, component relative, no, location, get relative. Okay, this is a problem. Okay, if we do like 1, no, like .5, and value is going to be to 5, maybe no, like 2, yeah, maybe like this is good, so it's slower and then it's like normal and then it goes fast, but it should be like 1, so it has a better effect. Okay, I think it's pretty good. So open, close, okay. Unfinished. Whenever it finishes, we wanna travel, because yeah, we want to travel. So on finished, we wanna, okay, on completed. Okay, wait. We're gonna close the door because he selected, so he's inside of the elevator. Yeah, okay, so it closes the door. Then I wanna travel. No, this is going to be a different name, so set elevator. No, set target. Set target event. Then we add a custom event, which is going to be the real travel elevator. So on finished, we wanna travel elevator. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Then we wanna. What do we wanna do? We wanna. Okay, actually search something here. No, not search. Just want to check something. Yeah. Okay. So it's pretty good here. Okay. Yep. So done one here, and on travel elevator we wanna okay, I can't lose myself in the programming, so let's actually review this. So on clicked on cube 19, so the enter is the OK cube. We want to check if it requires a password, if it's true, and if the password matches. So okay, then we have the number if it's valid, so if it's a real number, if the player clicked on some buttons, it will oh okay, actually yeah, if it's true, it's going to set the target event, so it's going to set the destination in which the player wants to go. So it will get the specific target, the corresponding target of the number with the layer number, and it will close the elevator door, so it will reverse the animation. So as it reverses, it will go from 250 to 0. Okay. No, this cannot be travel elevator here. We need another boolean. Yeah, we need a boolean, because if we open the door, we would travel. So we need a boolean here. Is door closed? Okay. So open elevator door. We're gonna set is door closed to no, to false, because it is opened, and on close elevator door we're gonna set this to true. Okay. As I'm walking down the corridor. Okay. So now finished. Is door closed? If it is, so branch. If the door is closed, we want to travel, but if not, we do not want to travel. Okay, perfect. Now the travel elevator method will get the target in which we want to go to. And we need to make here something which is okay, we wanna we need another timeline. Yeah, we need a timeline. Okay, timeline. So I'm gonna move elevator, and we wanna play. We just wanna play. So we wanna like the way it hurt. Okay, it needs to be like yeah, 5 seconds. I think it's good, or like 7.5. So it's a little bit better. As the last one, I'm going to add a float track, time, intro curve. No, we need the contrast adjustment. Clear. I want to add a key, and here it needs to be okay, like it needs to be 7.5, and it needs to be 1, and this needs to be like 3, and like dot 3. Yeah, like this, I think. Yeah, I think it is good. Okay. Now, I'm gonna lerp again. This is going to be alpha. We wanna self, get a reference to self, and set relative. No, we wanna set actual world. Set world location. No, set world location.
Now I know we said things, did things that we didn't mean, and we fall back into the same patterns, same routine, but your temper's just as bad as mine is. You
set location. Set actor location. Set actor location. Yeah, set actor location. Target is going to be self. On update, we wanna only move on the z-axis, so split struct spin is going to connect to the z-axis. We wanna get actor location. We wanna split struct spin pin, connect it like this. Okay. Then we gotta make here a better connection. Okay. This is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves. Okay. There's no reverse on this, so target. We gotta get actor location. Split struct pin, struct pin, split struct pin. Q, Z is going to connect in the B, and this Z is going to connect on the A, in the A. Then we need something like this. Yeah. So basically, what this means is that we're going to get the elevator Z coordinate, and we're going to lerp between that coordinate and then the Z coordinate of the target we want to go. So yeah, and then okay, so on finished, we wanna open elevator door. Yeah, and I think it's good. Now we just need to call the elevator. But for that we're gonna need another model. And I do not want to make models now, so I will only create a normal BP in which I'm going to add some code, but there isn't going to be any model for it for now. But I'm going to do it in a fastly. But for now, okay. It doesn't. Okay. Now what do we need? Yeah, what do we need? So we just need another blueprint here. How can I do that? Blueprint class, actor, trigger, elevator, BP. Trigger, elevator, BP. So this is going just to be a cube. So let's add a cube, and we want to on clicked. We wanna do something. We want to oh, but there's something, because there could be multiple elevators on the level, in the level.
Olá, Eu sou o Biura e já podes ouvir a minha nova música Cuiar Assim na playlist Portugal Meals da Diverge no Spotify. Ai.
Okay. Let's just think. It is just another variable. Let's create the individual, and then if we want to add to multiple multiple instances of the blueprint of the elevator, we can just manipulate and add another variable which we can then proceed to change the blueprint. So it's pretty easy to do that. We don't need to implement that yet, so let's just move on with the individual part of the development of this VP of the elevator. So the thing we need to do is just create here on target, on the elevator, we need to create a custom event. Actually, wait, because the target that we set has a layer number, and this also needs a layer number, so layer number string, and we want to get this is instance editable and expose on spawn, so want to get all actors of class. Okay. Actually, let's get actor of class the elevator. We want to on the elevator, we're gonna travel so okay, the thing we want to do is on this we gotta get all actors of class which have the class of target elevator BP. For each, we're going to get the one with corresponding with the same layer number as this one. So we get the layer number, and we are going to compare this one with this one. So if it equals exactly, if branch if it equals exactly, we're going to get this. Let's actually promote this to a variable again. Set this as wanna set this as target layer. Okay. On true. Okay, so if it equals, if it's the same, we wanna get actor of class. Get actor of class. The elevator, and we want to get the layer. We're gonna get the target. Get target. Set target. we're gonna set target to the same as this one, so then it's going to change the target and it's going to and then we need to travel elevator. This is on clit. Okay. It's okay, I think it's pretty good. Okay, let's add like it's dynamite. Let's put this here. Dynamite. The things that in this we want to add a box. We need to add a box. Box collision. Input. So here on the input box we want to scale it to like 4, not like 666 or like 888. Yeah, pretty good. Now we want to on begin overlap we want to cast to BP first person character, and we want to enable input. Wait, what was the name of the method that I had? I need to get BP first person character. Add initial widgets, no, that's on RFC, no, voice input, jump input, movement camera, no, sprint, no, hold cake, enable mouse cursor aspect so player can interact with the environment. So it's just interact with the environment, don't interact with the environment. Okay, let's, so we're gonna interact with environment, and on and overlap we wanna cast to BP first person character, and we wanna don't interact with the environment. Yep, so player can / can't interact with button. Yep, pretty good. Now we need to do the same to the elevator, and I think we are done. So viewport, let's add a box here, box collision, input, this is going to be like in the middle and it needs to be so 200. Yeah, then we need like 4, like, yeah, like, okay, 4 and 4. Okay, so like 6. Okay, this needs to be like 3.8. Okay, let's just leave it as 4. On begin overlaps and on and overlap. Cast to BP first person character. Interact with environment. Then on end overlap, we wanna cast to the same, so let's just copy this other actor and don't interact with the environment. Okay. Then interact with environment. Yeah, and let's test it. Maybe there's something I forgot about, but we'll just see because it's hard to remember all of this code. This is actually pretty good, I think. But okay, let's just test it. So we need to come on here, click on this box, then it will open the elevator. Then we get inside, we click on the digit, and if we click on 1, it will go up and then open the door. Open the door. If you there's something we forgot. Oh no, then if you click on 0, it will close the door and start moving. Okay, let's test it. Come on here. Oh. Okay, what is happening? There's something I forgot to do, which is show mouse cursor. Ignore look input. No, that's the thing. Okay. I need to add here a show mouse cursor. If it's yes, it will show. So here I need a branch. No, we need a sequence, and we need a branch. I need to stretch this here. On 0 we need to get if player wants to show the mouse cursor. No, if we want to show the mouse cursor. If yes, if we want so, we need to just break this and set this here like so. Yeah, and then on 1 we just do this. Actually, we didn't need that. We didn't need that because we can use the branch on false. It will just do that. Yeah, so let's just get here this. On false, we're just going to connect this. On true, we do that. So we do not want to show that, so where is it? Interact with environment. Yeah, show mouse cursor. No, and then on this we do not want to show that again, so let's test it now. No, I don't. Okay. False. Set input mode game and UI. This needs to. True. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Descobriste na net e não consegues parar de ouvir?
This should be good now. At least
Mais virais
this.
do momento numa
Yeah,
só playlist.
it's perfect.
Ouve já, aqui no Spotify.
I don't think it is receiving input. Let's test it. So let's here. On clicked cube, I want to bring string. Hello. Yeah, it is not receiving input, so wait, what? Yeah, it is actually. Yeah, it is. This is getting general elevator. Oh, we didn't specify here. Layer number 0. Oh, what? Okay. Okay. It opened on the second try. Okay. 1. Oh, I forgot about it. 1. Okay. Let's test this again. We actually need to do something. We need to on OK I want to test something, so on OK on cube. I want to print string here, and I want to print string the number, the current number. Okay. Two times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. One. Okay. Okay. Sister, so on OK we are okay now. Does require password. Does it? No, it doesn't, so it's false. On false, it goes here, so then if the length, you use set target event. Over it now. So let's do something. Let's format text. Let's get this, and this is going to be number, and then the number. Number is going to be the password. No, the number. So get number. Okay. Let's test it. Oh, it's because it waits for... Wait. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, okay, it's waiting. 5 sounds, friends that I've never seen, and everybody but you can know. Okay. Oh. I need to change something. I wanna come here on the whenever. Okay. Interact with environment. No. Break, break, and break, and break. We're gonna select both of these, move them. We're gonna get player controller, and we wanna enable the input. So enable input. This is going to be the player controller. Then again, bro. Then we disable the input for this one. Break these. Okay, connect these like just like so. Okay, then on. Also interact on pressed. So it's going to be a flip-flop. Then we're going to on A we want to interact with environment, and no, we wanna cast to EP first person character, and we want to camera to another camera actor is going to be self, time is going to be 0. Then we want to here get player pawn, then we want to camera to another camera, and then after that we want to interact with the environment. So show mouse cursor, yeah, just like that. Then on B we want to cast again to EP first person character, and on so get player pawn, and on this so we want to read the camera, go to first person camera, okay, and we want to don't interact with environment, and it must be good now. Yeah, so we can now delete these, and yep, it must be good. But so here there's another thing. I press E to we need to do something. So we wanna create widget here. I'm gonna set default text, add to viewport, no, text. Okay, so text key keypad. Then we wanna add to viewport. And yeah, let's just add it. Then on when we remove the input, remove from parent, and yeah, we just connect this. So yeah, compile it, save it. That's just how it feels. Okay, let's test it. Keypad. Okay, I forgot to add the camera, which is the most important thing I need to add there. So let's just component camera. Okay, then we need to move the camera upwards. It's 200. Then we move it. Yes, just like that. And we see how it is working. So yeah, the keypad is, let's move it. Let's test it. Keypad. Number. Okay, now it's working. So number 1. Then we move 9. So it's moving there, right? Okay, let's put it like there. Yeah, let's try it. So here we come here, we interact with that box. Okay, keypad. We go to 1, so 1, okay. How? Okay. Oh, it's because of the seconds that I... No, I don't know, okay. 0 and... okay. Oh, I forgot. Number... Okay, there's a problem, so... Okay, let's test it again. So, hello. Keypad. 1. Okay. Zero. Where is the 0? So it's here. That is 1. Move elevator. So when we travel, why is this? Why is this going so fast? We gotta test it again. So 7.5 seconds after it opens, yeah, and it opens with a curve, so here is E, then if you put here 0, where will it go? Okay, it just opens, so okay. Then if you put 1,
É a melhor forma de elevar a tua experiência de audição.
how did it go so fast?
Reproduz faixas na ordem que quiseres, transfere-as para as teres offline com qualidade mais alta e ouve-as sem anúncios.
And if we put 0 again,
Faixa para saber mais.
okay, there's a problem, but I do not have much time left, so it's not much time left, it's just like it's just because I'm tired and I'll work on it after, but it's probably something with this animation, with this timeline. Goes from 0 to 250 here. Interact, so interact with environment, camera to camera, camera to another camera, go to first person camera, it's good. Set target event. One clicked elevator backrooms cube 19. So it prints the number, password. No, so it's length. It's set target event. Set target event.
There's a house upon the hill, guiding like a lighthouse. It's a place where you'll be safe to feel our grace, cause we've all made mistakes. If you've lost your way, I'll leave the light on.
Close elevator door. Close. Is door closed? Travel elevator. Travel elevator gets the target location Z, and location Z. Okay, so after we will work on this, I want to add, so the things I want to add is like I want to make this better, of course, with no bugs and stuff like that, and multiple instances of this, and multiple elevators with multiple boxes, you know, and I want to make sounds for the elevator. I will sound design it when I have the time for it, and then I want to, yeah, I just want to make this better. So we have the base here. We can work with the base, and as you can see, it is complicated, but for you to make a good elevator, you need to consider some things. You cannot just make it out. Yeah, but that's the video for today, and that's pretty much with all of the programming. You need to consider so much restrictions, and that's what makes a good programmer, if you consider all restrictions, or if you just simply like just make your code and don't even consider those restrictions. You're just like the efficiency, and those are the main characteristics which a programmer needs to have in his head all of the time, you know. So okay, I'm just going to end the live stream. I hope you liked what I did today, and I hope you understand what I was trying to make. I will work with this base, and in the next live stream I will be developing it much more and adding sounds and making it better and fixing some bugs. So yeah, see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and like these live streams so you can so you know when the game is coming out and the development of the game. Yeah, bye bye, and add some feedback in the comments so I can see. Yeah, because I want to make the best game for you guys to play. Yeah, bye bye.